Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Unlock iOS Tech. So, if AirDrop stopped working after updating to the iOS 26.3, so don't worry, you are not alone. A lot of users are facing issues like AirDrop not detecting devices, stuck on waiting, or failing to send files. So, in this video, I will show you step by step how to fix AirDrop on iOS 26.3 quickly and easily. Let's get started. So the first step is that make sure both device support AirDrop. So if you don't know how we can check that if AirDrop is support on both devices, so to make sure just go to settings and check that your Wi-Fi is working. So if your Wi-Fi is working and turn it on, and also check that your Bluetooth is working. You just have to just turn it on and turn it on again. So you see, it seem like that your AirDrop is working because AirDrop use both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth together. So if one is off, it would not work properly. So go to control center and double check everything. So after checking, I am gonna check that. So the other thing is set your airdrop to everyone temporarily. So just going to the airdrop. If you don't see an option of an airdrop, simply just going to search bar and then search an airdrop, and going to our airdrop, and you just have to just go to these seem like that of a section of airdrop. So you have to just do that is set your airdrop to everyone. So do you have to do that? You just go to general section, and here you just have to see the option of an airdrop. So just wait, I'm gonna find the option of airdrop. Just click on that, and here you just have to just set it to everyone for 10 minutes. So you have to just everyone for 10 minutes. So it if it's set to contact only, it may fail if the contact details are not saved properly. So after the testing, you can switch it to back. So the third step is restart both devices. This may sound simple, but it fixes many iOS glitches. So restart both the setting and receiving devices. If you don't know how we can do that, simply just go to settings and just going to scroll it down and see the option of a transfer, reset iPhone, and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, just go back. If you don't know where you can find that option, so you can wanna find that option in the general section. So just going to general section and just scroll it down, and the last see the option about transfer reset iPhone. So the fourth step is turn airplane mode on and off. So just see the option of an airplane mode, just turn it off and again on it. So the other step is the fifth step is one is disable your VPN. So to see the option of an VPN and device management in the general section, just click on that and just disconnect VPN from here. And the sixth step is check your screen time restrictions. So many users facing issue after that setting their AirDrop is not working because they many times their screen time have got restrictions. So that's why they're not working. So just scroll it down and just going to the screen time and it's going to content and privacy restrictions. And here you just have to just see the option of content and privacy restrictions and just see the option of allow apps. So just go to allow apps and features and see the option of an AirDrop. So make sure that it's turned it on. So after this, go back again back and make sure you just update to the latest iOS version. After that settings, so just go to general section and just going to software update and just update to the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after updating to the latest iOS version, so Apple apps sometimes fixes AirDrop bugs with small build updates. So make sure you just update to the latest iOS version. So after updating your iOS version, maybe your AirDrop bugs gonna fix. So the eighth step is that reset your network settings. That's what's important. So if nothing works, that is the most powerful fix. So just go into the settings of your iPhone and just go into general section and just scroll it down and see the option of a transfer, reset iPhone, and just tap on reset and reset all the settings, reset network settings from there. So after that, just make sure the both devices are unlocked and closed together. So make sure that just like that, my device is unlocked. So make sure that both devices are unlocked and are closed together. And check that your both device close and unlock while sending. So the last step is last resort is sign out your Apple ID. So just go to settings and just sign out your Apple ID and again restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, you have to just again sign in of your Apple ID. So after that, that's the all options. So you have to just follow the steps to fix that issue. So if your drop is not working after the iOS 26.3, these are the fixes. These will resolve it. Start with the simple step, first step, and if you need a reset settings, that is usually fix it. So if this video helped you, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Unlock iOS Tech for more iOS tips and fixes and updates. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.